Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been teaching driver's education, road test prep, DMV test prep, and knowledge test prep for about 21 years. Today, we're going to be getting off the expressway in about 1.25 miles. You want to make sure you're aware of your speed. Currently, the speed is 55 miles an hour. The truck to my left that you're going to see past me is not driving at 55. They're driving at about 75 miles an hour. You as the driver do not want to get a ticket. You want to be safe. The speed limit's now 45. Obviously, they're not driving at 45. You also see a thick white line to the right. This is called your edge line. This is where the edge of the road ends. And then we have a broken white line to left or right. This is where you can change lanes. And then you have a warning line to the left side. So you want to look ahead around the curve. You want to maintain good speed and look ahead. A lot of people are velocitized. They've been traveling for a high rate of speed. They're not really aware of what's going on, so you have to be safe and consistent. Next tip, a lot of beginning drivers drift to the right, and I'm going to show you. They actually go off the road to the right, and you hear this noise? Oh my God, that's so scary. This means you're drifting off the road. You don't want to overcorrect. You want to lift your foot. You want to be smooth. Right now, you're going to see a lot of information. It's called information overload. You have all these warning signs. I'm going to read a couple. Freeway ends a 1/4 mile. You have a sign that's flashing telling you the light's going to change. This is overstimulation. You want to be careful when you're teaching students, getting your son or daughter out here, give them a bit of information, and then they will gradually recover. So you want to take your time. I look ahead, I see the light. The road goes to the left, and if you're not properly oriented, you're going to go right into the cemetery, literally speaking. So the road curves to the left. I'm looking ahead around the curve. I'm taking my time. I'm being aware of disturbing any car. I don't want to stay in their blind spot. Don't stay in cars' blind spots. You want to look ahead, you want to scan, and stay smooth. The different road changes are, challenging, and you got to be careful. You have to reorientate yourself. So let's review. We talked about lane changes on the expressway. I'm a state certified instructor. I need you to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to learn how to drive. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.